Zeta Network new mining app. Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. Voor Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we're gonna speak about Zeta Network, and as you see, Zeta Network, it's a mining app, new mining app. It's worked only per hour. That's meaning you will mining per hour. Every 1 hour you have to start mining. It's hard for us, but as you know, it's a coin. So we have to do some work to earn it. For Zeta Network, as you see, if we go down, there are a journey of Zeta Network. Vision Divine, it started in 2020, as they said, and they make the idea and create it for fair. After it, they make a development, deep research, and strategy about Zeta Network. And the second or the next, it's supply starting. It's about Zeta Network start mining ZX token by practicing. That's define how we will get our coin. In the next step, it's profile verification, and profile verification, it's meaning KYC, and you already have to know this is the next step. So you have time right now to earn and waiting for KYC. The next step is ZX Vault, and it's meaning I don't know, but I guess that the access to secure ZX value, as I understand. Community voting, and it's a shaping future. It's about the future and what the benefit we will get. ZX utility, and you already know about utility and what we will have from profit and the benefits. Coming soon, this about four step are coming soon. Right now, it's a good start in Zeta network. And if you click on this area here, you will find home and the referral team and community and account. For my code, I will let it in description box, and as you see it, it's in front of you. You will need it to register. It's so easy. It's hard sometimes to mining each hour, but it's so easy and it can work very smooth. Right now I can tell you, don't forget to make like, share, subscribe, and also if you have any question, just ask us in our Telegram group. Goodbye.